Here's how to download and install XAMPP on your PC or laptop. Open your browser and go to apachefriends.org, the official XAMPP website. Scroll down to the Download section and click the Download button under XAMPP for Windows. The installer will download to your computer. Open the installer file and the XAMPP Setup wizard will appear. Click Next through the initial screens. On the Select Components page, you will see a list of services to install. For most users, leaving the defaults is the right choice, since they include Apache, MySQL, PHP, and PHP-MyAdmin, which cover the vast majority of local development needs. If you know you only need specific components, you can deselect the others to save disk space. Click Next until you reach the final setup screen, then click Finish. Leave the Launch XAMPP Control Panel checkbox selected so it opens immediately. The XAMPP Control Panel is where you manage everything. Click Start next to Apache to run your local web server and Start next to MySQL to run your local database. Both need to be running for most web development setups. If either shows a red warning instead of running, check that no other applications are using ports 80 or 3306. Skype and IIS are common conflicts. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on step-by-click.